Can't go slow.
Okay.
So,
We
hello,
have arrived, no?
hello guys. This is Shivam, and this is Govind.
Hi.
Basically, we are student at Delhi University. I'm a student of Khalsa College, and Govind is a student of
INDC,
ANDC.
bro.
And one of my friend one of my friend named Ravi is in this college. So basically, today, what date is today, Govind?
What?
Date क्या है वो सड़ी है?
It's at 11, bro.
It's 11th of May, and basically we went to trek. We took our bicycle and go to just for trekking, a kind of trekking. So in our mind, basically we think to vlog, and ultimately I opened my phone's camera, and we started vlogging. So on 11th of May, we decided to start our vlogging channel, which will named as
You can make
Explore
it,
Gurugram or
yeah.
anything. Basically, I have a channel named Sign Clip India. Basically, I am going to upload on this channel, and but in future also I will upload to some other next channel, which in name is start. It will start as Explore India. Basically, Explore India. So this is the name of channel, Explore India. So what we will do in our channel. So basically, we explore everything related to basically, for example, we are in Gurugram, so we explore the areas in Gurugram, which are the famous areas, what we can do in Gurugram, where to visit, what are the very famous malls. Example, there is a biodiversity park which is free of cost. You can go there, and it is very beautiful for nature. A lot of people do exercises, come to explore the nature, and basically kind of example is it, and we are going to record each and everything. So this is our basically first blog going to be uploading today, and this is what we do, and this is what we're known for.
So, are you going to just do this trip on your bicycle or just?
No, basically we start from our bicycle, but
Oh.
in future
You will do some
we'll go to bike, and then after bike we'll go to car.
Right.
Understand, Govind?
Yeah, I understand, bro.
Ah.
I just.
So this is our way, and this is how we move. I don't know what.
So we really love. So this was the final destination, but we have explored a lot of things today. First we go to.
आज हम वहाँ भी गए जहाँ तक हम कभी जा नहीं पाए थे. बेसिकली मैं गुड़गांव में रह के ऐसी जगह मैं आज गया जहाँ पर मैं पहली बार गया था विद गोविंद. सो बेसिकली दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.
And we also ask people about what they do. We see a lot of flats and buildings.
Basically there are two sexy things about Gurgaon.
Oh.
Basically the first one is the houses are very beautiful there, and the other one is car.
People are so rich, bro.
More than expectation. The houses also in future you see, and that's just like, oh damn, even it can possible that
You can't even imagine how house looks like, bro. These are so good. Even we asked those watchmen who are at the entry of the gates.
that's what they do.
And
So basically one
what
thing
they
I
do-
noticed that every rich person, they are involved in multiple works. They can't do single work. Just like if someone is property dealer, then he also do other works also. He's not involved in any one things. He's involved in multiple things. That's the most spiritual things in the richest person, that they involve in many things.
And one more thing, they are involved in businesses too. Businesses.
Multiple
they-
businesses.
Yeah.
So that's for all today. It's 11th of May. I don't know where I will be in the next 11th of May in 2026, but I'm sure that we will do.
So it's 5:12 right now.
It's
On
5:12.
11th May.
and
And we have exam on Tuesday.
and
Still we are vlogging.
I have to go camp for 18th of May. And basically that's all for today. And we're not gonna share anything about us, my basic personal thing. Basically in our vlog you're gonna see the exploration of Gurugram and India.
But this blog is just only about the introduction. of
Not
it.
about my family, not about Govind's
this first
family.
video. This first video only.
It's not like Saurabh Joshi's vlog.
We are not showing
That
the
we are
family.
fighting. I am fighting with Govind fighting with me, and I am fighting with someone else. No. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe our video if you like. I don't care if you don't like, but I'll beg, don't beg. But I say to like and subscribe and follow. Bye guys.
You will regret if you don't like.